Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is beta first kind distribution. In this topic we are going to discuss a result of beta first kind distribution. There are three results in the beta first kind distribution. Now in today we will discuss the result number 1 of beta first kind. So let us start with result 1 of beta first kind distribution. We shall see first the statement of the result. If x follow beta first kind with parameters m n, then the distribution of 1 minus x is also beta first kind with parameters n m. Means if x is a beta first kind with parameter m n, then 1 minus x is also a beta first kind distribution with parameters n m. Means only parameters are get interchanged and the distribution remains as it is. So we shall prove it. So start with the proof. Let y equal to 1 minus x. We shall define a new variable y equal to 1 minus x. Therefore, differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy upon dx is equal to minus 1. Hence, dx by dy is equal to 1 upon dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 is minus 1. Now we shall obtain the distribution of y with the help of univariate transformation of a monotonic function. Since x is lies between 0 to 1, 1 minus x is also lies between 0 to 1 and it is a increasing function of x. Hence we use the theorem of monotonic univariate transformation. By that theorem, the PDF of y is given by gy equal to fx into absolute value of dx upon dy. We have already calculated the value of dx upon dy and that is minus 1. So it is equal to fx into minus more absolute value of minus 1 which is 1. So it is equal to fx, and here f of x is nothing but the PDF of beta first kind with parameters m and n. So I shall write the PDF 1 upon beta mn x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1. But this is the PDF of y. So I have to convert the values of x on the right side in terms of y, since it is a PDF of y. We know that y is 1 minus x. Therefore, x equal to 1 minus y. Hence, by substituting this value in gy, we get 1 upon beta mn 1 minus y to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus y raised to n minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon beta mn 1 minus y raised to m minus 1 y raised to n minus 1. This is the PDF of y. Here one thing is remaining. We have to obtain the range of y, as x lies between 0 and 1, y will lies between, we shall calculate, put x equal to 0 in y equal to 1 minus x. So it is 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, substitute x equal to 1 in y equal to 1 minus x. What will happen? This is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence, y is also lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, the PDF of y is given by gy equal to 1 upon beta mn y raised to n minus 1, 1 minus y raised to m minus 1, 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 1. I will rearrange the beta function as beta nm y raised to n minus 1, 1 minus y raised to m minus 1. Since beta mn is same as beta nm, y is between 0 and 1. By observing this expression 1 upon beta nm y raised to n minus 1, 1 minus y raised to m minus 1, we see that y is nothing but the beta function, beta distribution of first kind. Hence, if x follows beta first kind with parameter mn, then 1 minus x must follow the beta first kind distribution with parameters n, m. Therefore, y is beta 1 n m. This is our first result, hence the result. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the result of beta first kind distribution, in which we study if x is beta first kind, then 1 minus x is also beta first kind, but the parameters n and m. In the previous lectures, we have already taken many more concepts from beta first kind distribution. If students want to learn that lectures, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that playlist is also given in the description box. Similarly, many more concepts are already taken on Learn Statistics platform. The link of all the playlists are given in the description box. Students are requested to share this lecture with your friends in order to learn the statistical subjects in simple and more easy way. If you like this lecture, then please click on the like button and subscribe to Learn Statistics channel for the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.